are watching Muhammad Amir official YouTube channel. Shah Nimatullah Wali, a mystic journey through time and space. Introduction. In the rich tapestry of Islamic mysticism, one figure stands out as a beacon of spiritual wisdom and insight, Shah Ni'matullāh-i Valī. Also known as Shāh Ni'matullāh-i Valī, this 14th and 15th century mystic played a pivotal role in the development of the Ni'matullah order in Iran. Revered both by Sunni Islam as a saint and by the Ni'matullāh-i tariqa as their founder, Shah Nimatullah Wali's life and teachings continue to inspire seekers of spiritual enlightenment. Biography. Born in Aleppo, Syria, or possibly around Kerman, Iran, Shah Nimatullah Wali traced his lineage to the 7th Imam Musa al-Kadhim. His early life was marked by extensive travels across the Muslim world in search of spiritual guidance. Despite encountering various masters, he did not find a personal teacher until he met Abdullah Yafi Suhrawardiya in Mecca. 7 years of intense study and spiritual transformation under his guidance set Shah Nimatullah Wali on a path to becoming a realized teacher. During his travels, Shah Nimatullah Wali resided near Samarkand along the Central Asian Silk Road, where he even encountered the renowned conqueror Tamerlane. However, to avoid conflict, he left and eventually settled in the Baloch region of Kerman, Iran, where his shrine stands today in Mahan. Legacy and successors. By the time of his death, Shah Nimatullah Wali had initiated hundreds of thousands of followers in the path of spiritual enlightenment. His son, Shah Khalilullah, succeeded him as the Qutb, master, of the Ni'matullāh-i order. The spiritual lineage of the Ni'matulli eventually moved to Ashtur outside Bidar in the Deccan region, invited by Sultan Ahmad Shah al-Wali Behmani of Bidar Sultanate Deccan. Shah Khalilullah, aged 104, sent his son Shah Khalilullah to fulfill the invitation. Shah Nimatullah Wali's spiritual lineage continued with successors like Shah Mir Mahmud Dakkani, Shams al-Din Dakkani, and Reza Ali Shah Dakkani. After a period in Deccan, the order returned to Iran during the Safavid era, publicly declaring itself Shia. Poetry. Shah Nimatullah Wali left behind a Persian-language diwan, showcasing his poetic prowess. One of his famous odes, attributed to him, is a rhyming masterpiece published by Shah Ismail Dehlvi in his book Alabin fi Awal al-Marian. Predictions. Shah Nimatullah Wali is also known for his predictions, including a regional conflict involving India, the beginning of Ghazwa-e-Hind, and the river Attock turning red with blood on 3 occasions. Numerous books and articles have explored and documented these predictions, emphasizing their significance in various historical and contemporary contexts. Shrine and Tomb. The shrine of Shah Nimatullah Wali is a testament to his enduring influence, located in Mahan, Iran. The tomb of his successor, Shah Khalilullah, is outside Bidar Fort and is known as Chokundi. Rich in history, these sacred sites serve as pilgrimage destinations for those seeking spiritual solace. Conclusion. Shah Nimatullah Wali's life and teachings continue to resonate across centuries, drawing seekers from different walks of life. His spiritual lineage and the Ni'matullah order stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of a mystic who traversed the realms of knowledge, spirituality, and prophecy. The shrine and tomb dedicated to him are not mere physical structures but living symbols of a spiritual journey that transcends time and space.